Adding ease to motion. So right here, I have just a position effect on. You can see this in earlier videos. And so if I play this, I just have this with a linear position going, and you can see I have the position here. It has two keyframes, and so it's moving from left to right in a linear fashion. Now I'm going to come down here to scale, and I'm going to set the scale on. I'm going to slide over my playhead over here so once it gets started. Okay, once it gets started, I'm come in here and add in a keyframe. I'm going to change my scale to 50%. You see, I built a curve here. It shows it in the curve here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this keyframe. I'm going to come down and say ease in. Notice the curves here. So in this curve, it shows you, it translates into a gradual acceleration or deceleration, whatever the case is for the animation. So let's come back here now and play this. So I'm going to hit OK. Do one more time here. So basically it comes along and it changes the scale. It's going linear and it changes the scale, but it's changing the scale and it's changing the rate of acceleration. So we can speed that up or we can slow it down type thing. So it allows us to ease in or ease out. This allows us then to experiment. We could actually come in here and pull on this little handle and we can experiment of how we want that speed to be. All right, and you make a change, you can come back in and play it again and give it a try. Okay, so this is adding ease to motion, and the easing is allowing us to gradually have acceleration or gradually have deceleration.